can you tell me what you did during your year living in Israel?
I was there as a student, but that was a pretense, because I really went with an eye to checking it out to see if I wanted to go on Aliyah. And when you would meet Israelis, they would say to me, speak to us in English, because they wanted to practice their English. And I would say, if you want to practice your English, go to the States. I'm going to speak Hebrew. I never spoke English with the Israelis. I only spoke Hebrew. So within a few months, they would say to me, where are you from? I'd say, I'm from the States. They would say, no, you're not. You don't speak like an American. We know you're not a Sabra, because you don't have you know, a native-born accent. But you don't speak like an American. So where are you from? I said, I'm from America. But they didn't believe me. So, because I refused to speak English. And my group that I went with, at the end of the year, they took a vote. And they said, who got the most out of the year here? And they said, Ruth. Because except for when she had to be in class and in the dorm to sleep, she was never here. Which was true.